I'm Jacob James, photographer, filmmaker and Panasonic Lumix ambassador. As filmmakers, we're often finding ourselves in a variety of shooting situations. The S1H has been designed to not just produce amazing imagery, but also to be customizable and expandable, ensuring that you as a filmmaker can use this camera however you prefer. Across the S1H body, we have a number of programmable buttons that can be set to be pretty much any function you like. For example, I personally have one of the front buttons set to zebras. This allows me to quickly and easily check my exposure on the go. The menu system in the S1H is also fully customizable using the custom menu. The way this works is really simple. All you need to do is navigate down to my menu, down to the pen icon and click Add. Select the menu option you use the most. This is a really good way to reduce time spent in the menus to access those regularly used menu items. The S1H also comes with a number of features for expandability. One of the great things about the L mount on the S series of cameras is a short flange distance. This allows the majority of older lens mounts to be adapted. Already on the market, there are PL, EF and many other adapters such as Leica R and the Soviet Oct-18 mount. The S1H also has a small screw on its mount in preparation for future mount adapter designs. This will help prevent focus shift, which can often happen using heavier lenses and a follow focus when there's a mismatch in adapter and mount tolerances. This is particularly important with lens mounts like PL, which are going to be used with heavier cinema lenses and follow focus units. This combined with the in-body image stabilization means that you can now use older cinema manual lenses on the S1H with a follow focus and still take advantage of the in-body image stabilization and other features more commonly found on modern mirrorless cameras. There's also a couple of features in the Lumix S1H that are designed for extra peace of mind so that you as a filmmaker can concentrate on the important things. The battery lock and caution system alerts you if the camera is writing and recording and you attempt to remove the battery, which would cause premature stop and potential file corruption. This works in the same way as the SD alert system found on the other S-series cameras. The tripod screw on the bottom of the S1H also has an extra pin spot for tripod plate alignment to prevent rotation and loosening of the plate. As well as these physical features, you can also activate software features such as segmented file recording and loop recording. Segmented file recording creates a new file every 1 minute of recording. This ensures that if a file gets corrupted while shooting due to memory card issues or power failure, you'll not lose more than a minute of footage at a time. Loop recording mode also assists you in ensuring you don't miss the moment. By activating loop recording in the menu, the camera will record until the card fills. Once the card fills, the camera will cycle around, recording over the footage already on the card. It will continue to do that until you press stop. To activate segmented and loop recording, simply navigate to the other submenu inside the video menu and select either loop recording video or segmented file recording. And that's the expansion and operability features of the new Panasonic Lumix S1H.
Panasonic.